Here we are in Red Wing, Minnesota, replacing some windows both in the upstairs and the basement now. We got 2 left to do here in the basement. Both of them are egress windows. Now, why this customer chose this window? Could they repair it? Possibly. And if you look at things online, people are searching how to repair windows all the time. You can see the crank out here no longer works. It's a casement window, typical builder grade window. You have what isn't a stainless steel spacer. So air and water have gotten between the glass over time. So you could replace this sash, replace the guts of the window, and keep everything else here. The trim on the inside is not bad. It's not completely rotten. A little bit of fading from the sun, but all you're saving is a couple of $100 that way. So you have to make that decision. Do I save $200 trying to repair this window, or do I replace everything and I'm set for the next 20 to 40 years? And the customer here chose to replace with the Marvin Infinity window with the EverWood inside. So it looks like real wood, it stains like real wood, but it won't have the discoloration or the mold like the wood windows of yesteryear do.